Good morning. My name is Rochelle N. Braun, 12 BFP Skinner. This is my 21st Century Activity 3 video report titled Exploring World Literature Authors and Works from China, Japan, and Africa. Hello everyone. Welcome to our video report on authors and literary works from Chinese, Japanese, and African literature. Lu Xun, Chinese literature. Let's start with Chinese literature Lu Xun. One of the most influential authors is Lu Xun, known as the father of modern Chinese literature. A Madman's Diary. A Madman's Diary, a short story that critiques and explores themes of mental illness and social reform. This work is important because it marked a turning point in Chinese literature, shifting from classical to modern style and influencing future generations of writers. Japan's literature. Haruki Murakami. Moving to Japanese literature, Haruki Murakami is a renowned author known for his unique blend of magical realism and contemporary themes. Norwegian Wood. Norwegian Wood, one of his famous works is Norwegian Wood. Norwegian Wood is a novel that explores themes of love, loss, and identity in 1960s Japan. This work is well known for its nostalgic portrayal of youth and its exploration of the human condition, resonating with readers worldwide. And lastly, let's look at African literature. African literature, Chinua Achebe. Chinua Achebe is a Nigerian author and poet, considered one of the 20th century. Things Fall Apart. Things Fall Apart, his masterpiece, tells the story of an Igbo village struggling with colonialism and cultural change. This work is important because it provides a powerful portrayal of African culture and impact of colonialism, challenging Western stereotypes and inspiring a new generations of African writers. These authors and works showcase the diversity and richness of world literature, offering insights into different cultures and experiences. Thank you for watching.